Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see what is calculated column and how to create a calculated column in your PBIX file. So, after loading the data from various sources, you may come across a requirement for a particular field for your visualization. In that scenario, you may use this new column option from various views. See, even in the report view, model view, and the data view, you will have an option in the top view as new column. This is nothing but calculated column. You may add a calculated column with respect to a specific table column values or different tables as well if they are related. So what is this? A calculated column will occupy a physical space in the memory in the PBIX file, and which is added like a existing columns, but it will have an icon in front of its column names stating that it has used some formulas or DAX functions to generate this column. A calculated column is calculated based on each row level values. It can be entire row or a specific column value, but it is calculated for each and every row and displayed or stored in your model, which can be used for any access, legend, value representation in your visualization. This is completely different from custom column from your transform query mode. So let me name this column as full name of employee full name. So we have loaded the employee table here, and we know that there is a first name and last name columns here as shown in this table. So let me concatenate both and display under full employee name. So I'm calling concatenate function, concatenate dim employee full name or first name, comma. I just want to give some space, and concatenate function will take only two parameters, but still I want to insert some space. So I'm using ampersand to concatenate a space in between these two columns. Dim employee, last name, yeah, enter. So this concatenate function is calculated for each and every row based on these two column values. Let me add this to this table. Yeah. See, a space is being inserted in between. So whenever you want to concatenate or any other calculation, any function, we can use the 200 functions in the DAX to calculate this calculate column. And you should make sure that based on your requirement, whether to add a calculated column or a measure. Whenever the requirement is to calculate the values at each row level and store it in your model, to use that column in axis, legend, values in all the visualizations, you may need to go with the calculate column. See, we can see the calculated column in our data view because it occupies some space and it's same like other list of columns in this particular table. Hope this is useful. Thank you.